If you want to buy Anydesk, but you're not sure where to start, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. I'll show you how to open the official Anydesk website, choose the right license, enter your details and complete the purchase safely and confidently. This is a simple guide for anyone who wants to upgrade to a paid Anydesk plan without getting lost in the checkout process. And if this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox or whichever browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, go to the official Anydesk website. Make sure you're on the correct website before entering any personal or payment information. After the homepage loads, take a moment to look around and get familiar with the layout. Now, look toward the top right corner of the page and click Buy Now. This is usually where Anydesk places the main purchase button, and it will take you into the license selection process. Once you click it, you should see the available pricing and plan options. At this stage, carefully review the license plans. Anydesk may offer different options depending on whether you need it for personal use, professional use, or a business team. Compare the features, user limits, and pricing so you can choose the plan that best fits your needs. Don't rush this part, because the right plan depends on how you plan to use Anydesk. When you've decided, click Buy Now for the plan you want. Next, you'll move into the checkout flow. Click Next to continue. In some cases, you may be asked to sign in to your account. If that happens, simply enter your login details and continue. Signing in helps tie the license to your account so you can manage it later if needed. After that, you'll reach the Terms and Conditions section. Take a moment to review the terms so you understand what you're agreeing to. Once you're ready, check the I accept box. This is required before you can move forward. Then click Next again. Now it's time to enter your information. Fill in your personal or business details exactly as requested. This may include your name, company name, email address, and any billing information the site asks for. Be careful here and double-check everything for accuracy, because even a small typo can cause issues with your order confirmation or license delivery. Once everything looks correct, click Next. The next step is adding your payment details. Enter your payment information using the method supported by Anydesk. This is usually where you'll input your card details or other accepted payment method. After that, review the full order summary one more time. Make sure the plan, billing details, and total amount all look right before you complete the purchase. When you're confident everything is correct, click Pay Now to finalize the order. Then wait for the payment to process. Depending on the payment method, this may take a few moments. Once it's complete, you should receive a confirmation that your Anydesk purchase was successful. And that's it. You've now learned how to buy Anydesk step by step. The process is straightforward once you know where to click, and taking your time with the plan selection and payment details helps make sure everything goes smoothly. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn about next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.